members of Prime Motivation, and I'm here with Randy from Randy's Drag Racing Museum, and I'm showing him this great product. It's green, it's good for the environment. This is an oil additive that is good for both diesel and gasoline, Randy. And it helps the vehicle burn cleaner and helps gas mileage. And then
we need more green products out here in California.
No kidding. And then we have the gas additive on top of that, which is another bonus. And it's all been tested here and in the Philippines. And then they also have this oil for four-stroke motorcycles, and I think two-stroke also. And it's also another green additive. We're trying to make the kids aware of this stuff in the high school level, and then their parents and the faculty, all the way up to the government. It doesn't get any better than this. I mean, what can you say? This is a great product.